Vegetables, vegetables. I green chili, potato, carrots, lemon, vegetables. Fresh vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables, carrot, potato.
Hello, brother.
Oh, how can I help you, sir?
I need some potatoes.
Oh, sir, how much do you need?
I need 2 kgs. How much is it?
It's only 40 taka kg, sir.
Can you reduce, please?
No, sir, it's so beautiful, so organic, so I can't reduce it, sir. It's a fixed price.
Where is it from?
Oh, it's from long distance. It's from Rajshahi, sir. It's really fresh, organic. I think it will be very tasty, sir. It will
Oh.
be very tasty.
Okay, give me 2 kgs.
Okay, sir, I will give you. Can you give your bag, sir? Okay, so potato, very beautiful potato. Your wife will be very happy, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. What about lemon, sir?
No, I don't need it.
Okay. I have green chili, sir.
How much is it?
It's 100 taka kg, sir.
Can you reduce 2 taka, please?
2 taka. If you will happy, obviously I will reduce.
Of course, I will.
Okay. So, sir, I will give you 1 kg green chili, sir. Okay. It's a really tasty, sir.
Can I check it?
No, sir. I will give you good one.
How much total?
Your total 176 taka, sir.
Oh, here is it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. And it's your change, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Come again, sir. Okay, bye-bye, sir. Come again, sir. Obviously, come again, sir. Okay, thank you. Vegetables. Carrot, lemon, potato, green chili, vegetables.